Attempt number 2. The first one on the computer fucked up and it's somehow lost my webcam. So, on today's episode of Cooking with Carpie, gonna be making coffee with Monster because I keep seeing that stupid fucking meme of made coffee with Monster and now I can see colours. No, see sounds. That makes more sense. Or less sense. Either way, that's what we're gonna be doing. Because I've seen that stupid meme several times, and I've never met anyone, myself included, that's actually bothered to try it. Can't be having that. We've got to find out if it's even fucking edible or drinkable. So I've got a can of Monster, boiling away. It smells interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna go with interesting. And while we wait for that, I've got my Venom mug, same size as a Sports Direct mug for anyone who knows what that is, which is a UK pint, 20 fluid ounces, which is different to the American pint of 16. And since it's twice the size of a regular cup of coffee, we've got 1, 2, that's your normal cup of coffee, 3, 4 teaspoons of coffee to make sure that it's coffee, because otherwise, giant fuck off. Yeah, fucking size of that. You just won't taste anything. It'll just be really watery and shit. Like Costa. Fuck you, Costa. I'm using like the least stable fucking table ever. It's just like a shitty little folding table. I've got one the size of a wallpaper paste in here, but I have no idea where it's gone. But you know, it'll do. I've got my camping stove from work. I've got a saucepan. What more do you need? It's starting to feel warm. It might be boiled. It smells fucking horrible. Now, I was going to do this in one of the camping kettles that I bought from work, but the problem with that, I don't know where I put that either. I think that might be in the boot of my car. And I don't have my car here in the flat. It would mean having to go back outside, and I can't be bothered to do that shit. So, what am I doing? I need a teaspoon. Teaspoon acquired. Do you think I need to put can I put coffee mate in this? I can't put milk in it, it's acidic, it would curdle. Let's try it. Oh, this is gonna probably be... This is where it's all gonna go wrong. Jesus fucking Christ. Guess we put in the same as we did the coffee. 4 teaspoons of coffee mate. Should have got a bigger spoon. This one's not quite long enough. That looks to be boiling. The reason I wanted to use the camping kettle was because it's easier to pour a camping kettle than a fucking saucepan. Should I do that over the stove? Maybe I shouldn't do that over the stove. Over the floor, is that bad? Ah, fuck it. Oh, look at that. It fits perfectly, besides the little bits that trickle onto the floor, into the cup. give it a little stirry. Make sure it's all nice and mixed together. And did you know that caffeine is actually a solid that's in solution? So it's much like salt water in that you just dissolve it. So boiling it, you don't lose any of the caffeine, you just concentrate it. Which I guess means that if I put this back in the saucepan and just boil it for ages until most of the water evaporates, I can make like a really killer espresso. Possibly literally. How much Monster do you have to condense down to give yourself a heart attack? Ooh. Yeah, I just laid the spoon and I'm not convinced this was a great idea. Oh. Ooh, it smells like regret and cardiac arrest. It's also really fucking hot. Maybe we should put an ice cube in it and cool it down. That's a terrible idea. Oh my god! Oh! Oh no, I think it did curdle. Oh! Oh, that's disgusting. Oh yeah, the coffee mate's like separating. Camera will pick that up. Can I flip the camera midway through? No. Look at it. You can see where like kinda the dairy in the coffee mate is separating from the mixture. Oh, that's not. Oh, that's not pleasant. Oh, fuck me, Christ, Jesus. Oh my god, it tastes familiar though. It tastes a little bit like when you smell like dead badger at the side of the road. It tastes like roadkill. Fetid, feculent roadkill. Oh, my eyes are watering. That's really fucking grim. I don't know about sea sounds. I think I could taste the afterlife. Anyway. Thanks for watching Cooking with Carpie. It was an experience.